people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you haven't subscribed yet, like, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please make sure you hit the button below. So today I am over the moon but also nervous because I don't know what to expect. So I ordered from Shein I think 2 weeks ago, and my order got delivered today. So I waited. I didn't want to open the box by myself. I was like, we all need to capture like the reaction on camera because really I don't know what to expect. Bear in mind, this is my first time like ordering online, international order, Shein. So today I'm not gonna talk about the shipping or the payment or the delivery agency or stuff. So I'm just gonna be unboxing, and in my next video I will do the try on haul, and in the upcoming video I will then talk about the shipping and all the story they found. And so yeah, all of you guys can react with me before we go for the try on haul. So yeah, let's get started, and please make sure you hit the button below, subscribe, like this video because I'm so excited. I haven't even confirmed on the app that I have received my order. You know, I just wanted to open first and accept later on because wow, I just need to see if I received everything that I've ordered. But so far I know I ordered 15 items. Yeah, 15 items, and I'm so excited, you guys, but also nervous. So we're just gonna see what's gonna happen. And yeah, this is the box, and I am so over the moon. I'm so over the moon. So like, I did not expect this. It came earlier than I expected, and I couldn't be happier. Literally couldn't be happier. I was expecting this box to get to me maybe within 3 months, but it came within 15 days. But I'm gonna talk about that one in my next video. The time it took to get to me and everything. So yeah, let's get started. I really don't know what to expect. I don't know what to expect. Yeah, this is the first item. Okay. And what is written here? They have some good writings here. I don't know if you can see them. It's really, really beautiful. It's written, no matter where we go, no matter what we do, you'll always be there for me, and I'll always be there for you. One for you and one for me. Oh, it's like they're two chains, but we see. This is the second item, and like I said, I ordered 15 items. Guys, I'm so excited. I've been like looking for this hoops, you know, the chunky ones, and I went it. You all know. I went it. What is this? Lovisa, and they were expensive. You guys, they were like 160. So I went on the website Shein. I was just like, no way. The time I get my hand on this one, it will be over for you. And you guys, their packaging is insane. Like, very pretty. You see, it's really pretty, and they seem reusable. It's like I can use it for the second, third, and oh my goodness, this is beautiful. So this is a pair of shoe. I was very worried. I was like, they might come, they might be bigger than my feet, whatever, because I have a very small foot. So yeah, I was like, they might be bigger. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. I can't wait. You see, they're so beautiful. So oh my goodness, wow. I like the inside. You can see it looks like very comfortable. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to rock this one. They seem like they're gonna fit me, and this is size 5.5 US. I don't know, but yeah, this is the second item, and I feel like I will just keep this package. I'll be carrying my shoes in here each time I travel. This is the other item. I think it's a black dress that I ordered. I'm just gonna take anything in whichever way. This is the dress, and guys, the material is so dope, like literally dope, insane. My camera is not doing this dress justice, but wow, Shein. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now I see why people have been screaming. Like the unboxing of the try on hold and they're screaming. I'm like, what is going on? But now I can see why they were screaming. The material is insane. Really, really dope. Like, wow. So this is the dress. I'm just gonna put everything here. So this is the 5th item. I'm not going to tell the sizes and everything until I fit everything. And yeah, oh my goodness. Wow, wow. So this material looks and feels like the one you can usually or normally get at Woolies. Okay, let's get to the item number 6. I'm like literally taking things. I'm not even, I'm just taking things. So this is another accessory that I got. It's a set of hoops and this oh my goodness, guys, the quality, if you see it in person, the quality is really dope. It kind of gives me the Lovisa kind of vibe if you see them, and I just can't wait to fit this hoops because I have been so obsessed with these ones. But Lovisa is just like it will charge you double or 3 times or 5 times or 10 times. So item number 7, oh my goodness, their packaging is just like, you see this package, oh my goodness, it's so cute. Like, I'm keeping this one. Whenever I travel, if you open my suitcase, you will definitely find this one. It was this green dress. Wow, it's so simple but beautiful. It's not that see-through. I think you can still wear it like that without anything inside, but if you just want for security issues or purpose, you can put something inside. So now you guys, if you know me, I'm a sucker like for chains. Accessories are me, like literally. Beside confidence, because that's the most expensive accessory that I've ever worn, it's jewelry. Like, guys, I like cross things, and this one is just so cute. And I like the way it is. It's not like that crossy, it almost like X positioned this way. I don't know how you call it, but wow, the material and everything. This is Lovisa, literally. This is Lovisa and stuff like that. But you can feel the quality. Not really bad. I can't wait. So this one just got the twin. Okay, let's get to the next item. Now I'm no longer counting because the excitement is just beyond. So the next item is also this other green dress. Overall, this is a bit see-through and it seems bigger really, because I think I ordered a size, I think extra small, but this one seems bigger than what I've ordered. But yeah, we'll see once I put it on. But yeah, so far I feel this is the only dress that I feel like I'm not getting what I expected, but I'm not disappointed because the price was a bit unreasonable. So the next item is this black dress, another one, and yeah, now this is what I did not understand again. Seemed bigger really, and the way it was showing on the website and here it's just like 2 different things. The material look a bit different and it's a very see-through. So judging from the price, I think I deserve I deserve this dress. But the thing is, it's just two-way. I don't know how simple. And the material as well looks cheap, but we will see once I put it on. And again, you guys, the prices play a huge role. Like for what I've seen, like it makes sense. It makes sense because the price that I purchased this dress for, I think it's the price of a burger, something like that. So the next item is this. Okay, I don't know how you call this one. This bag, because most of the time I will like go for a walk, and I did not have like a place to like put my phone or keys or something like that. So I feel like I will just put everything in here. How do you call it? A waist bag or what? I don't know. We will see. But I like the material. Very nice. Very nice. Really simple. Like I can't wait to put it on. How do you put it on? Like this. Like this. Yeah. So like can't wait to rock it. Going for a walk. Going for a jog. But it's almost like I'm doing a trial haul. I need to wait. Oh my goodness. Here are my rings. Oh my goodness. I have been like looking for these rings, and wow, when I saw them on the website, I was like, I'm not gonna think twice or third or three times. I'm just gonna think once. I'm going to think once, and wow, let me just put on one and see. This is not a trial haul, we do it, but I just feel like I need to put one on here and one on here. This seems bigger here, and boom. We are slowly getting to serious businesses, and wow, let's see, it's another pair of shoes. Oh my goodness, guys, I really can't wait. Like, I can't wait. Shein, you're making me speechless. I'm literally gonna cry. I'm going to cry. Because you guys, I wanted something similar to this one. I'm gonna insert it somewhere here from, I'm going to cry, I'm so excited. From Steve Madden. And wow, that pair of shoe was like 122, I think. It was a leopard something, and when I wanted to go and purchase it or buy it, because now it was on special, like it was retailing for I think 1,000, something like that. The sizes were finished, or they were out of stock, literally, like everything was out of stock. And so when I went on Shein and I saw this, I was just like, I'm gonna try, because we all know that Steve Madden has like comfortable shoes, like literally comfortable shoes. Like you pay your money and you know why you paid your money. I'm not good in heels. I don't know how to walk in heels, but when I wear the Steve Madden ones, like I slay. So I was just like, I don't know, I'm gonna try this one from Shein, and if it is comfortable, then Steve Madden can forget about me. And like just touching here, feeling this feel here, I don't know if that makes sense. You can feel that the shoe is really comfortable. And I wanna cry because this is emotional, you guys. Literally emotional. Yeah, I'm so excited. The next pair of shoes, this one, I just hope they fit me. Oh my goodness, I've been searching for this, like, but you know the prices in South Africa, and you just like, I might get one because I previously got one, but then it wasn't comfortable. You know, you would still feel that, wow, this shoe is not really comfortable. Like it's felt cheap and everything. But this one, despite the price being a bit you know, you can still feel the feel. It feels nice, very simple. Wow, I can't wait to slay this. I really can't wait to slay this. So let's move to the next one. This is another pair of shoes, because wow, you know, if you dare going to like sports scene, or you know, anywhere sports scene and the rest, this will cost you like 1,000 or close to 2,000. But wow, wow, I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Wow, the comfortability of this perf shoe, like, you know, when you feel it in here, it's almost like it's a sponge, you know, it's like you wearing a sponge. My goodness, I need more of this. I need more of this. Like, so wow, wow, wow. Very simple. You know, the detailing are really simple and beautiful. Wow. Okay, beautiful people, we've reached the end of our unboxing video. Please stay tuned. Make sure you are subscribed if you haven't, so that next time when I post the try on haul video, you get the notification. Bye for now. Mwah. Till next time.